If you wanted to make money at home online, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a quick buck online without shelling out your money or credit card details. So this little thing that I'm gonna teach you in today's video is for beginners, so it's very easy and it's just gonna take you around 20 minutes a day. And it's so easy you don't need any skill nor experience to do this. So one thing I like about this website right now is that they give you an automatic deposit on PayPal in 24 hours, meaning you can actually receive your money in a day. It's just so fast and efficient. You can receive money just like this, and again, this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this, and this is available in every country, meaning anyone in any country can do this right after watching this video. So right now, I'm going to show you how much you can earn. As you can see here, if you complete a 5-minute simple task, you can fetch $25. When you do a 10-minute task, you can earn $75. And then when you do a 30-minute task, you can earn up to $300. I'll show you exactly how to do them on your computer or phone. The website that I want to show you today is a website called validately.com. This isn't a new site, but this is a brand new method that I want to show you on how to do this. But before that, I want to show you that PayPal is actually accepting people from all over the world. As you can see here, 200 countries and regions across the globe. So you can be up and running on this site in an instant. This you can do on your phone, and you can do it on your computer as well. This is definitely a legitimate company partnered up with big companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. So if these companies can trust Validately, I think we can too. Next thing that I'm gonna show you is the very easy process of starting on the Validately website, where you can register as a tester and start making money online now. It's very important that you don't skip any part of this video because they are going to ask you a total of 16 questions that you have to answer properly so that they can actually approve your sign-up application. So what I'm going to do is answer these questions. I'm going to give you a real-life example on exactly how to do this so that you can start earning some cash. So make sure you don't skip any part of this now. Question number 1. What type of mobile device do I own? So just answer what fits you best. Same goes for the next question. What type of computer do I own? What version of Windows do I use? Make sure you have at least Windows 10 or the latest version of your OS. Next, just choose the gender that applies to you the most. What year were you born in? Pretty straightforward. Now next, this one, and actually the next few ones as well, are pretty important. It's key that you choose college graduate because this implies that you were independent, employed, and have a good earning job. Next is employment status. So you can put there part-time or full-time. Either way could work. Next, in what industry are you working? And it would be preferable that we put something computer or IT related because it's gonna drive up the value of your pay. What is your job title? There's a drop down there, and maybe you can choose one that best suits your skills. After that, we have household income. So just fill that one up with the answer that comes closest to yours. What is your full name? Just type it in. What is your email? Also just type it in. What is your PayPal email? Now this is important because they're gonna want to send you money easily and you can receive it easily, so just input the email you used on your PayPal over here. Choose password, plain and simple. Now the next one, choose time zone. Choose it manually. You can Google your time zone pretty easily. And finally, click Agree on Terms and Privacy. And now, you successfully signed up your account. I know that was a lot of questions and answers, but again, you can do it in less than 2 minutes. And Validately needs to verify a lot of things before you can get started. If you watch this video and just do exactly what I did, as you can see here, you can do this pretty quickly. Now, Validately is gonna send you a confirmation email. In it, there's gonna be a link that you have to click in order to validate your account. Now, once you click on the link, you're going to go through this quick 1-minute screener test. So you're gonna click on this green here. So you can see, it's so easy to earn from this website from your home right here. They're recruiting people to test websites from their phone or office. Now you can do this on your computer or you can do it on your phone. It just takes about 1 minute to do. It's real simple and quick. Then make sure you use Google Chrome browser right on your phone or computer to open up this website on the link on your email. When you're activating your account, then they're gonna want to click on this, as you can see here. I will test the website money. Click on this white and then they're going to give you a tutorial and you can watch the advertorials, but again, it's a very simple greenish little bubble here. This green little button is actually where you can click on and it's going to show you the task you have to do. Again, it's important that you use Google Chrome because you'll have to download an extension back to our task. It will appear right here in this green button and then I'm just gonna click on next. Now with this button here, you're gonna go back to the top right hand side. So whenever you need some help, you can always click this to show task or hide it. So right now, I'm going to click on OK and voila! I'm ready to begin the test. We're going to click on this white button here to begin. Just install the Validately extension. This is why you had to use Chrome, so that you can install this. Validately and moderated testing, and the site has over 30,000 users that are testing various sites and earning by doing that, so make sure that you can. When you get started on this job, you're gonna see that you're gonna be testing the functions and performance of sites. I remember when I got started on this one. They made me check out the Amazon's marketplace site. I had to log into the site, find some particular items just to test the site's functionality. Just send screenshots for every step they make you do and you're all set. Now I hope I was a bit of help in your next money-making venture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends and family. I'll be seeing you around.